Hi guys, welcome back to my channel to Study World. Today's topic is nothing. I'm just going to chat with my friends and going to teach Tamil. Yes, today's topic is Tamil and one easy Tamil and also science only most I'm going to teach you guys. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, and I'm going to open for you the PPT 1 minute. The presentation which I made was very clumsy, or no, it's not so neat, so don't get worried. And I'm going to take the chapter getting to know plants, to our plants only. So let's open my chain. Hope all can see my PPT. 1 minute. This is our topic, getting know to our plants. There are main two types in plants. One is flowering in plants. Some plants will flower like rose, and sunflower will compulsorily flower blooms. Like for example, roses, sunflower, mangoes, right? But non-flowering plants like ferns and mosses just grow like some plants and not useful for our users. Okay, those are flowering and non-flowering. There are main three groups in our plants, but three types only there are main, and climbers and creepers are sub, like that we can tell. So, and this image, right? This images which I'm pointing here in the pen. Sorry. This is called shirts. I don't have space here. Right, these are called and shirts. There's no space for me to write. And this image, the circling image, right? This image is trees. It's not able to write so nice, so only it's scribbling. I'm sorry. And this image, right? This image is herbs. Okay. This is first image. It's herbs. Hope all know that. This is second, and shrubs is third. Right? In this order you can see here, right? And climbers. You can know about climbers in next page 1 minute. But before that, we will read about creepers. Some plants have weak stems and cannot stand upright, because some plants are like watermelon, right? Watermelons will never, if you see a watermelon, we know about watermelon, right? 1 minute. I'll take some yellow color to visibleness. Okay, see, if you take a watermelon, what will happen? It won't climb up a stand straight, right? A shrub or herb, right? It won't be stand up straight. It will creep on the ground like this. Like this, strawberry only it will creep, right? These are called creepers. These spread out on the grounds. If you are taking a ground like this, okay, this is the ground. You are taking a ground Here it will creep like this, okay? It's coming like a doll. Here the watermelons will bloom. In the weight of watermelons, the creepers won't climb in the walls. So only it got the name as creepers. And we will erase this all. Next topic is shapes, right? Shapes are nothing but some plants have the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard. Yes, friends, I will explain you. See, like this the stem will be. You cannot break it easily. It will be so much hard. Using the shelves only we are making the wood. And do you know which is the herb? Which is a herb which is look like trees. Only one herb is called, that's our banana. More than that there is no trees in the herbs, but shrubs are not like that. They will be very strong and maximum height they will grow to 5 feet. More than that, till I'm just telling like jasmine and those will grow till like that in their season too. And the stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs, right? An area of cultivated shrubs in a park or a garden is known as shrubbery. More shrubs are in a park or a garden, that park is called shrubbery. Okay, we will now about trees. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick bone stems. Hard and thick. You should note that. In last page you had read that not very thick. The shrubs won't be thick, but they are hard. We should use scissors to cut them. We cannot cut it with hands. But herbs are not like that. Okay. And but the trees will be not like that. 1 minute, I will highlight for you. Not able to see the color. They will be hard and thick with a brown stem, but the only hard, not very thick. Okay, so more these 2 points. The stems have branches in the upper part, much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. See here, in the tree, the stems have branches in the upper part. We know of that the greeny part, right? Till this only the shoot system. You will know in this chapter itself about the shoot system. This is shoot system. Shoot system, right? Okay. Shoot system. A system. There is no place for me to write. So right. Shoot system. Okay. Such plants are called trees. Much part above the ground means the shoot system have more parts than the root system in the soil. They tend to be long lived, some reaching several thousand years old, but some will be several thousand years also old. We don't know about them at all. Okay, next part. These are herbs, right? We know about herbs mostly. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs, right? Green with tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short and may not have many branches. They are also used for food, flavoring, medicine, or perfume. Yes, we will use the herbs for food. What herbs we will use for food? Hope all of them know. We will use the herb as a banana. We will use the banana leaf to eat. We will use the banana fruit. Banana fruit itself we will eat for our digesting system. It will be useful, right? And we will eat the vegetable of the banana plant. The vegetable of the banana plant we will tell no bajji varakai, that is called the vegetable of the banana plant. And the vegetable of the banana plant is also used for snacks. We will use for snacks in our home. Our mother will make no, that's called bajji. We will use that as bananas vegetable. And what else means, next we will use the vari thand, right? The herbs. In that the stems itself we will use for sambar, right? In our house our mother will use so many, but it include the, in that they will take a thread like structure. They will do the flower kneading. That even the threads like structure is used for kneading the flowers, right? Like this we are using the herbs for food, for flavoring, for medicine, and for perfume. Now climbers. At last we reach the climbers. Some plants have weak stems and cannot grow without any support, like money plant, jasmine, beetle plant. Beetle plant means vettalai. We will tell you that one. Gourd, that plant, right? That grapevine means grape plant. Money plant means money plant. Jasmine means we know mulli, right? These grow with the help of a stake or a tree near them. These types of plants are called climbers. They need a support like this, okay? This is the support. If we in the pots we will keep one stick first for them. Then we will keep the stick of the plant, right? It will climb like this. It will climb like this. Here the flowers will be, the leaves will be, all the things in this place. It will, while climbing itself, it will reproduce. That's one. There is all this. Okay, this is called climbers. They won't grow without any support, but it won't grow without any trees stick near them. So these are called climbers. Now about plant system, structure of a plant. See, this is the structure of a plant. One metal rubber. This part is called flower. What? I'll read it in pen. This part is called flower. One minute. Yes. This part is called root systems, and this part is fruit, banana fruit. Think like banana fruit. Bud, this one leaf, this one leaf, this one stem, this one root. See, this is shoot system till the ground, and this is the root system, the roots. Okay. Now I will read this. The underground part of the plant, or the plant that remains in the ground, is called root system. The green part of the plant, which grows by seeing the sun above the ground, is called shoot system. This part will always see the sun towards the sun, and this part always remains in the soil. Remains in the soil means root system means root system. Okay, understand like that. Which sees the sunlight means it is shoot system. This is called this part, this is called this part. Okay, don't think I'm just scribbling. It is not easy editing in the system, right? So it is tough for me to do, so only it's like getting like scribbling. Then now about stems. The stem help the water and minerals to go to the leaves and other plant of the plants. Attached to the stem through narrow tubes inside them. Here, this is stem. No, inside this there will be a narrow tube. On this, the green part of the stem has been covered. Okay, 1 minute I will draw in colors so you can understand easily. In light green color, no, I'm using light green color inside the tube, and red color on the top. It will be in the dark green structure. No, we will see. This structure is the red color, and inside the tube, which is traveling to all the parts, is this green color. Okay. The stems will transfer the minerals and waters to all the parts of the plants. And the parts of the plant, you can see now clearly. Flower helps in reproduction. Leaf performs shoot system, and fruit protects the seeds. Stem supports the plant. Root absorbs the water and minerals, and till this root system, and till this shoot system. The shoot system always see the sun, and the shoot system will be so cute because we can eat the fruit of it. In that fruit itself, it will get before fruit stage, there will be a vegetable. That vegetable is used for to cook, and the flowers will be kept in the head, and the some leaves we are using for cooking itself. Some stems are we are using like potato, ginger. Okay. Roots. The main root is called taproot. The branches that arise from the main root are called lateral root. Example, carrot and radish. We will see the carrot like this. Near them the small hair will be there. Our mother what will do? She will peel that full skin of the carrot and use inside this remaining part, right? Yes, because this is the taproot, and this one, the hairs are supporting roots. You can see in this image. This is the carrot. Okay, this is the carrot. This is only the carrot which I done here. Okay, and this is called fibrous roots. There won't be a taproot like this system. There will be direct down. there will be direct like this. See, so the number of thin fiber root are called fibrous roots. Like for example, they spread out in the soil. See, this is the soil. No, for root system, the soil must be like this. The taproot will take here like this. Okay, this is the taproot. Now see what I'm drawing for the fibrous root. This is fiber roots. Okay, now you can see while seeing the images in this big pieces, the small are coming and supporting the soil, but the small pieces itself growing in this place, right? That small pieces is growing in the roots are called roots. In the root system itself, fibrous roots, and that these are called in the root system. Carrot radish are example because tap roots, and this is the fibrous root. Okay, so scribbling right. I will erase all. Functions of the root. Functions of anchor the plant to the soil. Roots absorb the water and minerals present in the soil. Water and mineral salts reach the stem of the branches through a system of thin tubes present in the roots and the stem. Modification of roots is not needed now. After learning all of them, we will come to the modification of roots. Function of the stems, right? What is the function of the stem? Stem is the supplier to the kitchen of the plant. What is the kitchen of the plant? Kitchen of the plant is the leaf, right? The leaf absorb the photosynthesis, make some process and makes the food for the plant. What from where the leaves get minerals, water, food to all the parts of the plant? How do it make the food for the parts of the plant? How? Simply, if a father or mother goes outside and buys the vegetables and give to your mother, means your mother will cook, right? Without buying the vegetables, how they will cook? Only with water and salt? Never. We need vegetables in all the dish we are doing, right? Like that, only with photosynthesis and sunlight, the leaf cannot make the oxygen and make the food for them. They need the minerals and water, which is absorbed by the roots and supplied to the leaves. Then only they will make the food for the whole plant. And stem bears branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits will be in the main. The main function is stems transports water. That what I told now. The leaf, the flat green part of the leaf is called the lamina or leaf blade. See, yes, some like that. No, these are called leaf lamina or leaf blade. To be little bit sharp, and this is the part which is holding the leaf by the stem is called petiole. Lamina is attached by a narrow short or directly called petiole. Okay, structure of a leaf. See, this is called leaf blade. See, here one, here one, here one, here one, like in the beach. We'll see, no, that it will come like this. No, the waves like that. It will be here, and this structure is called leaf blade. And see, the small inside the leaf like this, right? These are called veins. And this one here, the midrib, right? This is called the midrib. Leaf stalk or petiole, which catches the leaf in the stem. Types of leaf venation. Parallel venation, reticulated venation. The veins in the plants with fibrous roots are parallel to each other along the length of the leaf, which is called parallel venation. See, these are the parallel venation. Here the rice will be. So we know already that rice is a fibrous root, and the parallel venation are called, in the leaf the venations will be like this. Veins will be straight, but in the reticulated venation it will be in the types of taproot. We know the taproot will be here one and makes the small branches in the roots, right? Like that itself the leaf venation also will be. In plants that have tap roots, the veins form like a net design on the both sides of the leaf, which is called reticular venation. What I told, it's correct. Okay. Next, structure of a leaf. Structure of a flower. A flower has a stalk called pedicel. So glycer one. Sorry. I'm sorry, the image was so big. Glittery, I'm sorry. Okay. The flower was a star called pedicel. The outermost wall of a green leaf-like structure is called sepals. See, this is the green leaf-like structure is called sepals. Next, the sepals are petals. This one. This is our petals. In the center of the flower rises a flag-shaped structure called pistil. This is called pistil. Its base is called ovary. Next image I'll show you. This is called ovary. This yellow part is called ovary. 1 minute, I will write ovary. The ovary. And next, the short tube-like upper part is the style, and above it is the stigma. See this one, the yellow one, not the black one. The yellow one is style, and the stigma is in the top. This one is stigma, and outside is pollen tip. Okay. And about pollination. The pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of either the same flower or of another flower of the same kind by wind, water, or insects. This process is called pollination. After pollination, the ovary swells up and changes into a fruit, and ovules change into seeds. See here, the ovule-like structure will make a change into seed, and the ovary, which I don't know, it will swell and make us a fruit like tomato fruit or apple, like that. So you can see by insects. Pollinator, pollen, stigma. This is the stigma will be very sticky one. Okay, and stigma will be very sticky, so it will capture and make the flower to make us a fruit. Okay friends, it's already late and I took more time to teach you the first part. I'll also teach you the second part in the next video, and subscribe to my channel. I saw that most of them didn't subscribe. I don't know why. So please subscribe for my effort. If I get at least 100 likes to my channel, I can post another video. If without any subscribes or likes, how can I? So please subscribe. It's nice, no? Subscribe. I'm very sorry for subscribe. Here is all subs. Subscribe to my channel. For my effort, you can subscribe please for me, and like if you like this video. If without at least if I got 20 or more than 250 likes, I will make the part 2, otherwise I cannot. And please share if you like you learned, your friends will be also learn. So thank you guys. Bye.